spread your legs apart a little bit. Just lean on in. You can feel it in your quadrilaterals. What we're going to do is just get on all fours. You just reach out. Lean back a little bit. Let's do it again.
Let's go, baby, let's go!
Hey everybody, today we're at the beach and I figure it's a beautiful day out. So why not do some yoga poses that us curvy girls can actually do? All right, let's go. Okay, so let's do our first pose. Big girls, we should be able to do this one, okay? Just spread your legs apart a little bit. Just lean on in and then booty down. And then just stretch it. You can come back up. You can like feel it in your thighs. I know I could feel it in mine. I have really big thighs. My thighs are my best feature. But you gotta take care of them. Stretch them out. Down again. And just hold it. Feel it in your quadrilaterals. All right, are you guys ready for pose 2? For our second pose, what we're going to do is just get on all fours. And we do like a little bit of a breathing exercise. Inhale as you go up, exhale as you go down. So get on all fours. Your arms are gonna be parallel with your shoulders. Okay, let me move so I'm in front of the camera a little bit more. Like this. So you can see my shoulders, okay? Not too wide, okay? And then you just kind of curve your back, okay? I want to interject right now and just let you guys know that I'm learning the same time as you. So I am no expert at all, okay? All right, so all fours. And then we're gonna like be engaging our core. Okay, that's good. All right, time for pose number 3. Okay, for our third one, we're gonna do a little stretching. We're gonna go opposite hand, opposite leg, okay? So we kind of get down the same position. And then you just reach out. Like your foot is being pulled and your hand is being pulled too, okay? You're just out straight. And then you engage your core at the same time. Just lift it up. There you go. Feel the stretch, feel the burn. Big bitch yoga. We doing things out here. Like my Boston accent. There you go. All right. And now we're gonna do the other side. So opposite leg, opposite foot. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Okay. There we go. Just reach out. Reach for those grapes at the grocery store. And your man is pulling your foot, trying to bring you back to the room. There you go. Engage your core. Don't forget that. All right, and we bring it on back down. Okay, ready for pose number 4. For the next one, number 4, we're just gonna lean back a little bit, okay? Grab your hips, engage your core. Engage the core.
Falls back.
Back. Ooh. Ooh. That one makes me a little bit dizzy. I don't know how long we're supposed to hold that one, but let's do it again. I really feel that one like in my thighs. I really feel that one in my thighs. It's a good workout though. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that one too much though, because it's making me dizzy. So that's the end of Curvy Girl Yoga. Like, subscribe, follow. Let me know if you want to see some more Curvy Girl Yoga. Either way, I'm gonna be doing it, okay? All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You want me to twerk?
Basically. And so you just get,
My knee already popped, so it's doing something.
and you just hold it. 5, 4, straighten up a bit, and twist.
Out on Black's Beach.
Start standing, you end up on the ground.
Okay, I mean, we get down on the ground, okay.
Down forward, you bend forward. You come down to the ground.
If Adam didn't eat that apple, we would all be in the bear right now, okay? It's all Adam's fault.
I thought it was Eve that did that.
Have you ever read the Bible?
No.
Exactly.
Okay, you're good. Come back up. Don't die.
I can't get back up.
Don't.
We are in Oakland currently.
Perfect. Good.